Your credit score decides more than most people realise. Whether you get approved for a car loan, what interest rate you actually pay, the deposit a landlord asks for, even what an insurer quotes you. And here's the part that gets overlooked. A lot of what's dragging your score down isn't your spending habits. It's outdated information, accounts you don't recognise, or errors sitting on your report that nobody at the bureaus is actively cleaning up for you. Ryezing is built to fix that. It's a DIY credit management platform that lets you review your reports, dispute inaccuracies, and build positive credit history, all from one place. Now let me go ahead and walk you through the desktop platform. Now, first of all, what Ryezing does is pulls your credit reports and scores from all three major bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Then it uses AI to flag potential issues, generates dispute letters customized to each item, and lets you report rent and utility payments to add positive history to your file. Now it's available on web and as a mobile app, but for this video we'll focus only on the desktop platform. Now to get started, head to ryezing.com and click login or sign up using the button in the top right corner. Enter your email and password and you'll land straight on your dashboard. Now, here's the layout. Your main navigation sits on the left. That's the dashboard you're on. Your credit report review, the dispute hub, rental reporting, utility reporting, and your account settings. The dashboard itself gives you a snapshot of your scores from all three bureaus, any ongoing dispute activity, and quick action widgets, which we'll cover very shortly as we work through each section. Now first, set your game plan. Click in and choose what you're working toward, whether that's repairing credit, building it, or both. Pick your target score, the reason behind it, say qualifying for a mortgage or building financial confidence, and a realistic timeline. Ryezing uses this to personalize the actions it recommends throughout the platform. Next, your credit report review. Now, you've got two views here, classic and interactive. The classic view is the raw side-by-side comparison across all three bureaus: personal info, accounts, payment history. And pay attention to the legend above your payment history. A check means the account's paid as agreed. CO is a collection, CHO is a charge-off, RPO is a repossession, FC is a foreclosure, VS is a voluntary surrender, and the numbers 30, 60, 90, and 120, those indicate days late on a payment, helping you see and understand exactly what is going on. Then you can switch to interactive view, and Ryezing's AI automatically flags items that may be hurting your score. You can go ahead and click any account to expand the full reporting details across all three bureaus. Now, when you spot something inaccurate, you can click Start Dispute directly from the account, and Ryezing will walk you through it. First, how many times you've disputed this item before, usually 0 on your first round. Then your reason, such as this account is not mine, or the balance is inaccurate, or the payment history is wrong, and so on. If none of the present reasons fit, you can write your own. You can also add comments specific to the bureau. For example, noting you're attaching a bank statement as supporting evidence. When done, hit finish and the dispute moves into your drafts. Now, head over to the dispute hub. Click Generate Letters and Ryezing builds the letter automatically, pre-filled with your details and tailored to the specific account and reason you selected. You can go ahead and preview the letter, then choose how you want to mail it. Before using the auto mail feature, Ryezing will ask you to upload your driver's license, social security card, and proof of address so the proper documents can be included with your dispute. From there, Ryezing can mail your disputes directly through the website or mobile app without you having to print anything yourself. You can choose first class mail, standard mail, or certified mail, depending on whether you want tracking and proof of mailing. Now, once it's mailed, come back and click the Mark as Sent. Then log the date. The bureaus have 30 to 45 days to respond. When they do, return to the dispute hub, click into the dispute and record the result. If the item was corrected or removed, mark it complete. If it came back verified, you can run another round. One thing worth keeping in mind, Ryezing is best approached as a 90-day credit management program, not a one-time fix. Over the next 90 days, the goal is to review your reports, identify inaccurate or outdated information, run your first round of disputes, and track the Bureau's responses. Credit repair doesn't happen overnight. Some items may be resolved quickly, others may take a few rounds. Ryezing keeps you organized through that process so you always know what to do next. And during those same 90 days, you'll also be adding positive history through rent and utility reporting, monitoring your scores and following your personalized game plan. So don't think of this as a tool you use once. Think of it as a 90-day plan to clean up your reports, build positive history, and put yourself in a stronger financial position. Next, rental reporting. Now, this is one of the strongest features in Ryezing. If you've been paying rent on time, you can report up to 24 months of past payments to the bureaus, adding positive history to your file without taking on any new debt. Just click in, enter your rental address, link the bank account you pay rent from, complete the two-factor verification, and you're done. Only on-time payments are reported, so this can never hurt your score. Utility reporting works the same way. Link your provider, gas, electric, water, even your phone bill, and Ryezing reports up to 24 months of on-time payments. Again, only positive history. Late or missed payments are not reported. Now, back on your dashboard, you'll find a few extras. Guidance on requesting credit limit increases on your existing cards, tips on becoming an authorized user to build history faster, and personalized credit card offers based on your profile. And that's the full Ryezing desktop experience. You can monitor your free bureau credit reports, flag and dispute inaccuracies, generate custom letters in seconds, and build positive history with your rent and utility payments, all from a single platform. Ryezing is also available as a mobile app on iOS and Android, and I'll walk you through that in a separate video. Now, to get started, head to ryezing.com and set up your account today.